you've got that one room in your house that never matches the rest, this is how you fix it. This is a new style of window air conditioner. It's U-shaped, saddle-shaped, horseshoe-shaped, so it actually sits on the windowsill and half the unit is outside. This one cools up to about 550 square feet, so it's going to be perfect for bedrooms, living rooms, even offices. But what really makes this one different is the way you control it. You can actually turn it on before you get home. You can set schedules. You can adjust the temperatures from your bed. You're not stuck walking over to this thing every time you want to make an adjustment. It's Wi-Fi connected, it's app controlled, and it has a remote if you're not into the technology. It's got a cooling mode, a fan mode, and a dehumidifier mode, so that way you can pull all that moisture out of the air, plus a sleep mode and an eco mode, so it's going to adjust automatically for you. And because it's inverter technology, it's actually going to run smoother and keep that temperature really steady. This one actually keeps your room comfortable, not just giving you a blast of Arctic air and then shutting itself off. Now, because it's early in the season, they are running a nice discount, so I'm going to put the link on the video if you want to grab it before that sale's gone.